Ever noticed how when someone yawns, you suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? I bet you might even be yawning right now just thinking about it. This mysterious phenomenon known as contagious yawning is actually super fascinating. Scientists believe it's deeply connected to our capacity for empathy and social bonding. Fun fact, even dogs can catch yawns from their human friends. While we're not entirely sure why this happens, it seems to be hardwired into our brains as a way of synchronizing group behavior and showing that we're in tune with those around us. Next time you catch yourself in a yawn chain with your friends, remember, you're not just being sleepy, you're participating in one of nature's most curious social behaviors.